GELGOOG is a leading provider of food processing and packaging equipment, committed to providing competitive food processing project solutions for food processing enterprises. Air bubble washing machine is mainly used to clean vegetable, fruits and seafood. High cleaning rate and no damage to products. Double cleaning method. Bubble produced by blower of air bubble washing machine and high pressure spraying make the washing effect to be more perfect. The bud washed out will sink in the bottom and be sent to water circulation box by circulating water pump. The filter of water box is freely disassembled. After filtering, the impurities will be left in the water box, and the floating object will be discharged by overflow to keep the cleanliness of water tank. At the same time, the impurities also will be discharged timely to make sure the cleaning effect. Working speed adopts stepless speed regulation, and customers can set different working speed and washing time according to their requirement. The stable working, compact structure, high automation, easy to maintain, long working life. Except the motor and bearing. The whole machine is made of stainless steel 304, which meets the standard of national food industry. The size of belt mesh can be customized according to different material sizes. Baffle is set on the belt, and it can feed material and discharge the finished material after washing. After finished washing, washed fruit or vegetables will be dried by air drain machine. This machine is special designed with enlarged drain outlet. Thus, it shortens drain time to improve working efficiency. Air bubble vegetable washing machine can be customized according to different processing material, different capacity, and different processing technology. Thus, it can meet different customers' process requirements to the maximum extent.